If you're tired of that pesky cough, then you need to stick around for some home remedy gold. First up, honey and lemon. Mix a spoonful of honey with a little lemon juice. It's like a soothing hug for your throat. Next, steam inhalation. Boil some water, lean over, and breathe in the steam. Just keep a towel over your head to trap the goodness. And don't forget the classic saltwater gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in warm water, gargle and spit. It's gross, but it works. Finally, try some herbal tea. Peppermint or ginger are great choices. They help clear your airways and calm that cough. So there you have it. 4 simple, friendly ways to kick that cough to the curb. Try them out and breathe easy.